to a new kind of tension all across the alien mission, where everything is meant to be okay.